start right away.
Fun time with DissiNotRA. Makers 101.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you've been here before. I am so excited, guys. I have gotten my hands on the beta version of ReasonCompact 2.0, which officially will be released today when this video drops. And I must say, you guys, as usual, Reason never fails to surprise me with its freaking awesomeness. As soon as I got my hands on it, it literally took me about a minute, 50 seconds, to build a complete beat idea from scratch. And guess what, guys? The best of everything is that in the new update version of Reason, oh, my super needy for attention fridge wants to be in the video again, as you know from my other video. So, say hi to my fridge, everybody. Anyway, the best about this app is that in Reason 10.4, which will be released today, we will have the function available to send our songs from ReasonCompact in our phone, in our pocket, right over to our Reason desktop version. And as usual, we can just use it to create awesome samples that you can later on import into Reason. So whichever way around, it's just awesome. Plus the sound quality, Jesus Christ! I can literally not believe the sound that comes out of my phone nowadays. Really. Unbelievable, unflipping reliable. Anyway, what would all of this explaining be if we wouldn't try it out ourselves hands-on? So let's do that right now. So, once you open ReasonCompact, this is how it looks. We obviously are going to start a new project. The first thing that I really love about this app is the colors. Something that I don't like about other apps is that you don't have any type of overview when the colors are all the same, specifically if it's all gray. I personally really dislike that. So these division of colors really make it easy to see what's going on. And as we get along, you will see everything in this app is really super easy to use. So first of all, as you see, it says select instrument, so it's really self-explanatory. I'm going to open my beloved Europa first. Now, you could start right away. As you can hear right away, it's awesome sounds, but let's just try something else. This one is nice. As you can see, sounds are already pretty nice, but you can also click here and then even select some other sound packs here. But we can obviously go with this one for now because look how many sounds it has already. How about we use this one? Now, as you can see, all of these functions here are just amazing. You can always make your own sound. As you can see, we have distortion, reverb, delay, waveform, filter. Let's see what happens. Wow, I like this. So, as I said in the intro, you can basically start right off the bat without even having to do any hassle at all. Watch what happens if we start this record button here. Play when ready. It automatically gave me a click, which we can change later if we want to. But now I just click done. We have our first pattern. Now the awesome thing is you can just go on and add another instrument. But if you want to get all fancy, as you can see here, we have a little sequencer window. Watch this. How awesome is this, huh? As you can see, we can just add the notes by tapping on it or remove it by tapping on it again. And the coolest thing is you can choose the bars here. Now I'm gonna stay with 2 bars, but if you wanna do one loop longer or shorter than the other ones, this comes in so super handy. Now let's add another layer. What do we have? Wow, I like this. And we're just joking around now. Now let's get a beat. So in our rhythmic classic here, as you can see, there's other sound packs too. But even the classic one that it comes with, look how many sounds it has. We have all the classic stuff that you would need, but let's try the hip hop kits. You can also switch through the presets here, as you can see. And again, look at all of these functions that we have to make our sound our own. Awesomeness right here. And look at this, see all these little dots here? That means there's even more going on here, which we have not unlocked yet. But as I said, even the version as it is already awesome. Now let's make a beat. And again. It also quantizes awesome for you already. And again, if something is wrong, you can always fix it here. But now let's hear some other sounds in the drums. Nice. Now what's really cool in the drum sequencer, look at this little button here. Now that's a little bit cheating, but in case you don't know how to make beats, and in case you want to mix live a little bit, that is a little bit awesome, I must say. Really. Now, as you can see, this just took a couple of minutes. But since I want to show you how easy it is to go really, really fast without doing anything, let's start another new project. I mean, come on, guys. That was extremely fast. A couple of minutes and I have an amazing idea down already. You can adjust the volumes right here without even opening the instruments and some other little functions, as you can see. One of the best things, as I said, is that this app enables you to export everything to your Reason desktop version. And the way to do this is extremely easy. You just click on these 3 dots right here in the right corner. You click on export, and now watch this. You can basically export everything as a Reason file, as a sound file, or a sound preset. Reason file, obvious, export it to wherever you want it. You can send it as mail, as a message, save it to Dropbox, and so on, whichever you prefer. Export as a sound file, same thing again, which would be the option to choose if you want to have it just as a sample, to tweak it later on in your Reason desktop version. Or how awesome is that as a sound preset? And then obviously you can download it the same way, but you can obviously choose which instrument you want to have the preset from. If you would have more instruments, it would obviously show you more instruments right here. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you what happens once you have the files in your computer, how you open it for further usage, and so on. In my opinion, one of the fastest apps to create music on the run. I mean, seriously, which beatmaker does not want to try that out? Because even if you don't work with Reason, as you've just seen, you can basically use the sounds that you export as samples in any type of music software. That's why don't miss out. Click on the link below and start making beats out of your pocket on the run. That's it, everyone. As you can see, the app is flipping amazing hazy. And don't forget to check the links. There's awesome stuff to discover. Also a link to the app, obviously. If I were you, I would get it right now. Because what are you waiting for? And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And hit the bell, you know the drill, if you don't want to have to look for my videos manually. Which is an outrage in today's times. But if you have any comments or ideas, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to stay tuned for part 2, where I show you how to get the beat from your phone right into the Reason desktop version. And as always, much love to everyone. Stay focused and have a blessed now. Mwah!